Did that this weekend.
Yeah. Just the 4 numbers on this. That's weird.
This is ASA Larry Matrino.
Ms. Maturino, Judge Provost, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
All righty, did I call the right person this morning?
Yes, you did, Your Honor.
All right, good, just checking. Let's see. That. All right, we'll start off with Mr. Verderama's cases. I'll give him a call.
The gentleman in the courtroom has a court-appointed attorney.
Okay. Yes, this is Judge Provost. Is Mr. Verderama available?
Yes, Judge. Give me 1 second.
Sure. Is Mr. Clark your attorney?
Hey, Judge.
I'm not sure, Your Honor, I have not met.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Verderama. Ready to go?
Yeah, you're early. It's great.
Well, I'm trying to take some of my older cases. I actually have trial dates, believe it or not.
Good.
So it looks like I'm actually the primary on January 11th.
Okay.
So we'll see how that goes anyway.
Okay.
I'm not starting them until the 13th, but
Okay.
which is Wednesday, but I'm going to status everything on that January 11th day. So.
Yeah, 11. Okay.
All right, so first up for you, I have on page 6, Borden Remados. Let me see here. 20 CT 39.
I'll take the 11th status date.
All right, January 11th. Page 8, you have James Curry.
You sent us for a plea. He's in custody.
All right, I'm going to use that. I'm actually doing that same date, January 11th. Then.
Okay.
Page
And
9.
we'll have, I guess, we'll make the necessary arrangements to have him so he can appear on the monitor. I know there was an issue before.
Yeah, we should.
Okay.
I'll let them know that generally when I get the docket out, they ask me who I need available, so we'll do that.
Okay.
Hopefully they'll give us a courtroom where I can get it done. Sarah Denmark, 20 CT 1347.
I continue the next pretrial. We get a PIA. She's completed a residential program.
All right, that's set for, where's my list? February 3rd at 9 a.m. Page 10, we have Angela Di Stefano.
January 11th.
January 11th. Page 14. Bruno Galvano.
Pretrial, February 3rd, the waiver.
February 3rd. Page 22. Parker Lasher, 20 MM 403.
January 11th.
Page 29. Gerald, I'm sorry, Jaime Ortega, 20 CT 1106.
January 11th.
Okay, January 11th. And then we have Gerald Parker. He's got 2 cases, 20 CT 1083 and 20 MM 885.
This is an older case. I'm gonna request the February 3rd. I need to speak to Ms. Marano. She's new in the case. There's some motion issues with this.
All right, February 3rd. Yeah, you're fine. The ones only that I'm looking for trial basically are the older ones anyway. So I doubt we would ever get to him in June.
Okay. I mean, it's 6 months old, but I guess it's still considered new.
Yeah, well, for this year it is, yes.
Yeah, exactly. 2020.
William Parks, 20 MM 40.
January 11th.
Page 40, I gotta call somebody, I think, for this one. Hang on a second. I lost my memo. Nope, never mind. It's Skype, not Skype. Okay. Safford on page 40. The site-
January 11th.
111 and page 42. Wilfredo Vargas.
January 11th.
And then you have a 10 o'clock hearing.
And I also have one tomorrow if I can address it today.
And now you're really asking.
But I mean, I can do it tomorrow.
All right, well, we'll see. I haven't looked at the docket yet. Page 6 on 10 o'clock docket, Charles Spalding.
The February 3rd.
All right, 2/3/3. And tomorrow at 10. No, I only have 9 o'clock docket. What am I talking about? Never mind. We're wrong.
And tomorrow is Richard Ismay. 20
Isme.
MM 1871. It's the first time I just got hired.
All right, I'll put you on the February 3rd docket at 9 a.m.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
All
Happy
right.
New Year.
All right, you too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
What's your last name? Say it again.
Martinelli.
Oh, okay. Yes. Let me give him a call. Hold on a second. He just, Mr. Missouri's attorney. Hang on, and I'll give him a call. It's last name on the attorney is Missouri. And it's Marcinosi. He's on the 9 o'clock docket on page 26 and 27. It's 20 CT 803 and 20 CT 1224. All right, let me give him a call real quick then. Come on up where you can hear.
Right here, sir.
Hi, it's Greg.
Yeah, Mr. Missouri, just Provost. Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
All righty. I have Mr. Martinosi is present, and so we're just here on the status, I guess, as to where we're at on this. I know you just got appointed. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. This is my first court appearance. I'm going to ask for an additional one.
Okay. We'll go February 3rd at 9 a.m.
He does have, just for FYI, he's got a pending felony case. It's a third-degree felony child abuse in front of Judge Manalish. His 3 next court appearances are January the 19th pretrial conference, February 2nd calendar call, February 8th trial. So perhaps, what'd you say, February 3rd?
Yes, sir.
Well, perhaps that is a really good idea.
Yeah, that'll work all right. For now.
Yeah.
Okay?
Can I get, is that gentleman present? I don't have his phone number.
Yes, he is. Could you have a contact number?
Yes, Your Honor. Area code 941-416-4439.
All right. 941-416.
I'm sorry. Yeah, go ahead.
And the last 4 digits were 4439.
And I didn't get the middle ones.
416.
416. That's great, thank you.
Okay.
And what time is that court appearance on the 3rd?
It'll be on at 9, more than likely the same way we're doing this right here.
Yeah, probably. All right, sir.
Okay. All
All right,
right.
thank you very
All
much.
right. Bye-bye.
Another sheet for you.
Your Honor, is there a phone number for that attorney? I stopped by his
I
today.
actually have a cell phone number. I'll give to you. I do have an office, but he said it wasn't working good, so.
Thank you.
So there, Ms. Matrino?
Still here, Your Honor.
All right. Let me know if something comes up you need to say. Just break right up, okay?
Thank you. I will.
All right. I'm gonna give Mr. Casassa a call and take care of his cases.
Morning.
Good morning, Mr. Casassa, Judge Provost.
How are you, Judge?
All righty. I got a couple cases for you this morning. First one I have is on my page 7, Michael Seabolt, 20 CT 253.
Judge, what are you doing for, with the calendar call?
January 11th.
Let's do that and we'll see where we're at.
All right, January 11th, then. Let's see.
I take it that's in person, Judge?
Yes, sir.
Okay, enough.
36, I have John Rowan, 19 CT. Go ahead.
Mr. Rowan, you may recall, was in long-term rehab with St. Matthew County.
Oh, yeah,
Still
yeah.
participating in that program. I anticipate this is going to be a plea, but I just don't know when, so I'm gonna request one more continuance for the waiver.
Are we gonna find that out from him at some point in time?
Yeah, we're expecting some word today, Judge.
All right. Can I status it on the 11th, or you want another pre?
Go ahead, status on the 11th.
All right, January 11th, then we'll see where we're at, okay?
Yes, sir.
He's getting pretty old here. Let's see. Then I have Fernando Rivas Soriano.
Yeah, Judge, we want to get that on the trial docket as soon as possible.
He's in jail on one case, so he'll move up the list. I'll set him on January 11th, and we'll find out where we are that week. That's supposedly my trial week, so.
Your Honor, this is 20 CT 1482, correct?
1482, he also has 20 CT 742.
Your Honor, just for the record, as to the CT case, the state would need to list a toxicologist. The state wouldn't be ready for trial, just want to put that on the record. And it's being set for status only.
Well, Judge, if I could, this case is months and months and months old. This guy is in jail with ISIL. If they were going to list a toxicologist, they could have done that a long time ago.
Your Honor, I do believe our witness list does say that a toxicologist is to be announced given the COVID situation. And the continuances, the toxicologist wasn't listed. However, given the fact that we are possibly set for trial, they again wouldn't have to actually list the toxicologist. And given, the holidays are just getting through the holidays and the COVID situation, we don't know if our doctor would be available.
Yeah,
Well, Judge, what we do know is my guy's in jail and can't get out.
I understand. I'm gonna put him on that February 3rd pretrial conference date on both cases. Looks like I'm back up. My next available trial date would be February 15th, so.
Is that from the calendar call on the 11th, Judge?
No, actually, if it was on the 11th, I could probably do it. I would try to get it done the week of the 11th, starting Wednesday.
Well, why don't we shoot for that, Judge?
Well, it doesn't sound like the state's gonna have a witness available.
Well, I mean, if they're saying they may not. But This guy, he's been sitting in jail a long time with a hole.
All right, Ms. Patrino, try your best. We'll see what we can do January 11th on both cases. Then.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Let's see. And I have Mr. McDonald on page 25. Not sure where you.
Yeah, because I'm gonna ask for one last thing with that with the waiver.
All right, we'll go February 3rd for Mr. McDonald at 9 o'clock. And I think the last case I have with you is Mr. Singer.
Yeah, I would ask for that February 3rd date as well.
2-3 on Nicholas Singer, 20 CT 1728.
I think that's all I have, Judge.
Yes, sir, that's all I got for you.
Thank you, Judge. Good day.
All right, you too. Bye-bye. All right, and we have Mr. Roy Stotcher, who I think is doing also Mr. Caros, but I'm not sure. We'll find out.
Hello?
Yeah, Mr. Rostracker, Judge Provost. How are you, sir?
Hi.
I got a number of cases here.
Yes, I do.
All right, and the first one that I'm showing that has your name on it is Rebecca Jones, 19 CT 2235.
Your Honor, that is set for a plea this afternoon before your Honor.
Oh, okay. Didn't get that message. All right.
I think it's 2:15.
Yeah, it should be on the 215 docket then. Yes, sir. Okay. I have another one. I'm not sure. It still has Miss DeCaro's name on it. I'm not sure if you're doing it or she is. Casper Larson.
Yes, Judge. This gentleman lives in Europe, and that's what he is. It is going to be a plea in absentia. I do have the paperwork on it. I'm reviewing it, and we're going to file this report.
All right, I'm going to set it for January 11th then. We can do it at that time.
January 11th, and it'll be a plea in absentia.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you, sir.
All right, and then let's see, we have 31. Dakari Parish, 20 MM 553.
I'm waiting for an offer on this domestic situation, and I don't believe the state has forwarded an offer to us.
Your Honor, we sent an offer on October 19th and November 25th, but I will resend it to Mr. Rochester just in case he didn't get it for some reason.
But maybe, I don't know, maybe such a Christina, I looked for it, I didn't see it, but I appreciate you sending it back. Thanks so much, and Judge, let us review that and then speak to the client.
All right, we'll set it for February 3rd, pretrial conference at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
For some reason, I have all my page numbers backwards for you, but let's go back to page 11. Karen Duggan, 20 CT 1239.
There has been an offer on this, and let me just see, Judge. Yes, we have it, and I believe, yeah, we reached out to the client, and after we reached out to the prosecutor as to what we wanted, and I think that I have to contact the prosecutor again, and then we'll know where we're going and get an offer, and then I'll communicate that with the jury.
All right, we'll go back to February 3rd then at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Roland Richard, 20 MM 209.
This, I believe, is a diversion case. It is, am I right, the state, are you on the same page with that? It's a little confusing. I'm reading Christina DeCaro's notes here.
Yes, diversion is on the table for this case.
Okay, I think there was just one thing, holding it up, trespass, no trespass, as you can see you know, well, that's what she had written down, and, Judge, I believe it is going to be a diversion matter.
All right, we'll go February 3rd. Hopefully it'll get resolved before that date.
Let's hope so, yeah.
38.
Since the time on February 3rd is 9.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And Raymond Shannon, 20 CT 549.
Yes. We do have an offer by ASA Collier, and this is something that we've been going back and forth, I believe, with our client, and I think it's going to be disposed of, but I am going to waive it and ask for another date.
February 3rd at 9 a.m. I have, is this the one I got called? Hang on just a second. I know one of them. All right, this is Carly Silfco, 20 CT 637.
I don't have that before me, and you did my case. I would ask for that. I don't believe it's an old case. I think it's a relatively new case. I'm going to ask for another date, a PCC date.
All right, February 3rd at 9 o'clock. We have page 42. Alden Vala, VALA, 20 CT 1039.
I don't believe that we have, there's a medical issue here, and I believe that we sent some documents to the assistant handling the case. And we're waiting for an offer, if they can consider his medical condition and give us an offer. I think that's what's holding it up.
Your Honor, we did send an offer back in August, but if we recently received documentation regarding this defendant's medical issues, I would have to review that, and then I can reevaluate if I'm going to resend the offer.
Thank you.
All right, February 3rd at 9 o'clock then. And we have page 44. Jennifer Wise, 20 CT 1376.
Judge, this is the manner that we send a number of supporting documents to the prosecution on this case, and we're hopeful that we can agree on a disposition here, on an offer that they can make. I think they made one offer, and she has her daughter back, and she works full time. She's in alcohol rehabilitation, and we've sent letters. She's doing incredible, and everything seems to be going great for her. And we're waiting for another offer.
All right, we'll let the state take a look at that.
I don't know. Hopefully they did.
I have to look, but I'll check for sure.
All right, February 3rd at 9 a.m. And then you have one that was at 10 o'clock on page 6 of that docket, 20 CT 2023 of Brandon Seward.
Yes, and I'm going to ask for that same date, Judge. I need to review that case.
Okay, that's a fairly new case. February 3rd then, at 9 a.m.
We'll see you then, Judge. I think that you're really docket. We'll see you in the afternoon for the plate.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, bye-bye. Do Mr. Day's cases. Mr. Gorman, probably. I'm sure Mr. Day's still in Montana. Yes, Judge Provost, is Mr. Gorman there, please, or Mr. Day?
Yes, sir. Good morning, Judge. One moment.
No problem.
Morning, Judge. Tom Corbin here. How you doing?
Fine, how are you, sir?
Good, good.
Still holding down the fort?
Yeah, for the time being. Actually, he's back now, but,
Okay. All righty, ready?
yep.
All right, I got Kevin Brenneman, 20 mm 7-2.
Judge, do you have a status date coming up, or?
January.
For pre-trial?
January 11th.
Good. I'm sorry, Judge, what date is that?
January 11th.
3/11? Okay.
1/11.
Let's set that for 3/11.
Nope, Mr. Gorman? Mr. Gorman?
Yes, Judge?
January 11th.
January 11th. Oh, we've got some conflicts on that date.
Oh, look, it says exactly 1 year on date of arrest, January 11th,
Yeah.
2020.
Judge, have you heard if, I know that I was listening to the radio, I heard the COVID numbers in Collier are up.
Well,
Right.
I've got trial dates, but
Yeah, we've got a number of trials that are set in front of Foster as well. On that 11th date, that's why I do want to.
yeah, I think I'm backing him up.
But that's not a good day to be able to do that, just because we got 4 other cases that are set for
All right.
Foster's trial call on the 11th.
February 3rd, I have a pretrial conference.
January 3rd, you said?
February 3rd.
Let's set it for that, Judge,
All right.
with the waiver.
2-3 pretrial conference, 9 a.m. Okay. And let's see. Then we have Logan Gross, 19 mm 2316.
Yeah, Judge, Mr. Gross's case, if you recall, we had, Your Honor had appointed a Dr. McMurray to assist us. We believe the defense is going to be standing at the time of the event. Mr. Gross recently, within the last couple of months, has been Baker acted several times. Most recently, he is, after the most recent Baker Act, he is now in a secure psychiatric facility in Virginia. His release date is unknown at this point, but when he does get released, plan is to get him back here, have Dr. McMurray evaluate him, and with that report, that may resolve everything. But at this point, we're kind of in limbo because we're unable to have our doctor evaluate him, and he continues to, I guess, relapse mentally because of the Baker Act. So should we correct?
February 3rd, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Gary Housen, 20 CT 949.
Judge, that's one I would like to set for status, but the 11th is no good. If we can have that pretrial date, perhaps we'll have that session.
All right, February 3rd then at 9 a.m. Let's see. 26. Samuel Martinez.
That's going to be a trial, Judge.
And that January date is no good for you guys?
Is that the 11th as well?
Well, my trial would be on the 13th.
Let's put it for there, Judge, and I can, like I said, we've got number one set in front of Foster, but if it's later on in the week, we're not the oldest on Foster's docket, so I think there's a good chance of one of ours not going, and that should work, Judge.
All right, we'll put Mr. Martinez then. I'm statusing him in January 11th. I'm not setting it for a particular day.
Understood. Is the defendant's appearance required for the 11th date?
No, sir.
Okay.
But he might be the oldest case on the docket.
Understood.
We have Brandon, I'm sorry, McGlenn.
Yeah, Judge, we had that
Ascensi.
trial. I made a counter offer to the state. I'm hoping Ms. Mavarino would consider that. If so, we can execute a plea of absentia. So that's where we're at right now.
All right, February 3rd then at 9 a.m. Courtney Robinson, 20 CT 242.
Judge, I'd like to set that for the state as well, but that's not going to work. Can we have it next pretrial conference?
February 3rd.
If we don't resolve it there, we'll set up a trial.
February 3rd then. And then we have Jose Rodriguez Turbio, 20 CT 1556.
Same request that
1856.
February date, Judge.
All right, February 3rd, also from Mr. Rodriguez.
And then, Judge, we've got at 10 o'clock, I've got 3 other cases that are new.
Yeah, I still got a couple 9 o'clock ones with
Oh,
you.
I'm sorry.
Kyle Stevens, 20 MM 1051. I think this is the bear case.
Judge, that's the bear case. I think that's going to be a
February 3rd.
trial eventually.
All right. Let's see, I skipped over Shadowski, Amanda Shadowski, 20 CT 1822. Fairly new case, looks like.
Judge, we're asking you to continue that to the next pretrial conference waiver.
All right, we'll go February 3rd with that. Hang on, I'm gonna give Miss Miss Gramy a call real quick. She's doing stipend.
Okay.
So, hang on, let me see if I can do this.
Hey guys, how are you?
Fine, good morning. I have Mr. Gorman's on the phone for stipend.
Okay.
All right, hang on a second, I'll get you guys together. All right, Christopher Stipek, 20 CT 1069.
Judge, the state has depositions on Mr. Stipek's case. I believe set for tomorrow. The state can rest and continue the next pretrial conference, perhaps those depositions help to facilitate a resolution.
All right, February 3rd at 9 a.m.
What was the date, Judge? I'm sorry.
February 3rd, it's a pretrial date.
Okay.
All right,
No, Judge, I didn't hear the date. I'm sorry.
February 3rd.
Oh, thank you. I thought you said trial. There it is.
No,
Is this the 9 o'clock or the 10 o'clock?
it'll be 9.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Okay. All right, thank you. I'll give you a call in a minute when we get to the other one.
Okay, thanks.
All right, bye-bye. And then Mr. Gorman, back to the 10 o'clock, David Beauregard, 20 CT 2140.
Yeah, Judge, we still are need to work those out with the state. It's going to be the same request on Mr. Bower, all 3 of our 10 o'clock cases.
All right, so Beauregard will be February 3rd. Burke, 20 CT 2081. It will be February 3rd. And on Rogelio Hernandez Torres, February 3rd.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay? I think that's everybody there.
That's everybody.
All right.
Happy New Year.
You too. All right. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye.
Mr. Villacava. Cases next. Doing all right? Hello? Mr. Villacava?
Hello?
Yes. Judge Provost, who's this?
Excuse me?
All right. I'm trying to get Mr. Villacava. No?
No.
All right. Sorry.
Good morning, Viacom and Peter. How may I help you?
Yes, this is Judge Provost. Is Mr. Villacava available?
Hold on.
Hi, Judge. This is Zachary Cantor.
Hello, Mr. Cantor. Judge Provost, how are you?
Good morning. I'm well, thank you.
Couple cases here. Let's see. Frank Lopez, I think, is the first one I have on my docket.
I think that's a Joe Viacava case. I don't believe that's a Viacava and Cantor case.
Well, they sent me to you.
All right.
I don't think I have any cases with your name on it.
I believe that myself and my partner Lee Viacava have one case. It's Bernard DeBrossi, DeBrosse.
Yeah, I do have that somewhere. Here, hold on a second. Well, why did they give?
982.
Yep, I got it here.
That case is ready for a plea, Your Honor. If Your Honor has a plea that's sent to a court date in January, I would ask for that court date.
All right, that's 2982, is that right?
Yes, it is, Judge.
Okay, we can do, that's interesting. The January 11th.
Yeah, that should be fine, Your Honor.
Okay,
Let's do. And what time is that, Judge?
it'll be 9 a.m.
Okay. And then, do you have any other cases listed for me?
No, that was the only one I had for you. I had, maybe it just was a mix-up with my JA. She told me to call these numbers, but I thought it was for Joe Villacava, not for you guys.
Yeah, that should be the only one for our law.
Okay, great.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a happy New Year.
You too. Bye-bye. Let me call Mr. Villacava's old phone number. I guess we have that mixed up. I can read it now.
Viacom Law Firm.
Yes, Judge Provost, is Mr. Villacava available?
Yes, Your Honor. Hold, please.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Angelica Guston.
Good morning, Mr. Guston. Two cases. Frank Lopez is first, 19 CT 2485.
We were asking for a trial date, Your Honor.
I can set it January 11th
Okay. And
for a status, and then it'll be later in the week.
I missed that. I apologize.
January 11th, I'm doing like a sounding status check, and then
Okay.
anything that gets set will start January 13th,
Okay. And then what time is that status?
9 a.m.
9 a.m. And is that via Zoom?
Nope, in person.
That's in person. Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
And then we have the page 27. We have Avery Mooring, 2 cases. 19 CT 2478 and 20 MM 1512.
Your Honor, with respect to the substantive charge,
Okay.
the battery in 20 MM 1512, we're requesting a trial date, and in the VOP case, 19 CT 2478, we'd ask for the same date, but as a status only.
You're right, we'll add that. Okay, it'll be the same January 11 date then.
Okay. All right.
Okay?
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
All right, you too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
All right, we have Ms. Maurer. Go to Mr. Wetter.
Good morning, law office. This is Steve.
Yeah, Mr. Wetter, Judge Provost, good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
Calling you in reference to Ronaldo Nadell, 19 CT 2595.
Hey, Judge, if I can, however you want to handle this, I think at the next court date, I don't know if you're doing in-person pleas or plea in absentia filed. I'm not sure how you want to do this.
Yeah, I'm doing them in person January 11th.
Okay, did you have a little date, a date out a little bit after that?
Not really.
And if that's the only one, we'll make it happen.
That's the earliest that I have. Let me see, I'm backing up. When am I backing up? On the 18th, yeah, the week after, I'm not available on any of those days.
And Judge, the only reason I'm saying that is I have a Charlotte County case in front of Judge Mason up in Circuit Court on January 11th at 9:30 in the morning, and I have right after that I have a in-person, and both the other ones in person, and this one is also in person. It's in front of Judge Sloan out in Henry County at 11.
We can set it for February 3rd. It's just another pretrial conference, but if it's a plea and abstention, I can do that then.
All right, let me check the. At what time?
It'll be 9 o'clock.
That's perfect. Thank you, Judge.
All right, we'll set them on February 3rd then.
All right, and happy New Year.
You too, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, let's go back to Ms. Maurer.
Law office, can I help you?
Ms. Maurer, Judge Provost, good morning.
Good morning.
Got a couple cases. Alexander Barton, 20 CT,
Alexander Barza, I'm requesting a continuance with a waiver.
February 3rd at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
We have Colby Hart, 20 CT 819.
Mr. Hart, I essentially ready for a plea, but the state attorney's office is trying to work out a restitution number with a civil attorney.
Okay.
For that reason, we need a continuance, but I'm hoping that you have something that's not very far out, because this is the basis of the violation in Judge Foster's court for violation of probation, and where he's losing patience with our continuances.
February 3rd is the best I can do.
All right.
I'll put in a good word for you.
Thank you.
Tell me you're trying. Gerardo Hernandez Medina.
I made myself a change to find what I did with it. Okay. Gerardo Hernandez Medina. asking for one more continuance for him to have enough money to enter diversion.
February 3rd.
He's trying.
Okay. Juan LeCount.
That one is a plea in absentia. It's in the court file.
Oh. Let's see where we're at.
Do you want me to announce the term?
Yeah, I gotta, well, let me just find it here. We'll go from there. Okay. Adjudication, 12 months probation, 12 months driver's license suspension, $500 fine, DUI school, substance abuse evaluation following a recommendation, random testing, victim impact panel, 50 hours of community service. Looking for my cheat sheet. 10-day vehicle impoundment, no possession or consumption of alcohol,
Court cost.
and court costs, to include cost of prosecution.
Yes.
That looks like everything. Is that correct, Ms. Matarino?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and that'll be the judgment and sentence.
Yeah. I have a case on the
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Can we do that now, or do you?
Yeah,
make it
I'll
separate?
do that. Let me just go through this real quick.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, 10 o'clock docket is Carlos Hernandez Aguilar.
I'm asking for a continuance with a waiver, please.
We'll go February 3rd on that case.
And I'm covering for Elizabeth Human on the 9 o'clock.
Get her cases.
She's Justin Farley.
Page 13. All right, Justin Farley, Ms. Human.
There's a plea in abstention in the court file.
Okay. Back to my docket. Farley.
Your Honor, the state has reviewed the plea in abstention and has signed off on it as well.
Okay. And that would be under driving under the influence and adjudication of guilt. $750 fine plus court costs, include cost of prosecution. 12 months probation, may early terminate after 9 upon the completion of the DUI school. Substance evaluation following a recommendation. No possession or consumption of alcohol, random testing. 12 months driver's license revocation or suspension. 10-day vehicle impound. 50 hours of community service. And the victim impact panel. And the merge and dismiss on the civil citation. Okay, looks good. All right, that should be it for you then, Ms. Bauer?
That's all I have. Thank you.
All righty, thank you, ma'am.
All right, have a good day.
All right, you too, bye-bye. And we'll do Miss Wilson. My understanding is Mr. McGann is covering. Sorry. What's that? Yeah, he's with the ticket clinic, I think. At least that's who I was told it's covering for. Yeah. Mr. McGann, Judge Provost.
How are you doing, Judge Provost?
I'm doing fine. How you been?
I'm doing well,
Yeah, I understand. Are you working with the ticket clinic?
Yeah, I got a new job. I went back to California for a couple months in the summer, and then I came back out here and got a new job, so it's a pretty cool gig.
All right. Good to hear. All right, we got, let's see, on page 2, Ben Andre.
Governor, we're going to ask to continue this case for a final time. That way I can just review everything with Mr. Andre and then resolve his case, hopefully on February 3rd.
Are you taking over Miss Wilson's cases?
Yeah, Miss Wilson is getting a new job as a private attorney in the civil world, so.
Okay, I got you.
Here.
All right. Good to see you again.
Right?
So I'll do February 3rd. Let's get a chance to get caught up, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, and then we have on my page 9, Hazley Delgado. It's a 20
It's a
CT.
similar request. We're asking for just one more continuance. That way I can review the video with Mr. Aisley or Mr. Delgado and make a decision.
All right, February 3rd then on that case. And then 3. We'll do, last name is Vogel, John Vogel.
I did just e-file a plea and abstention document this morning, so I don't see it in the court file. I'm not sure if you wanted to just continue this one to the non-jury trial document on Monday for a plea or just give it another court date.
Let me just see what they got here. Sometimes they get them in quick, sometimes. Vogel. Yeah, don't see it yet. How's January 11th look for you?
That's fine.
Okay, we'll do it January 11th then.
And I actually have another case on the public defender docket tomorrow at 9 in the morning. I'm not sure if you wanted to call back or maybe we could just handle that one now.
Let me look and see where we're at. Hold on a second. Oh yeah, there was one case with her name on it. I remember that now.
The last name is Rosario and it's 20 CC 2187.
Let's see. Okay, yeah, Hector Rosario.
And that would be a similar request to continue his case with the waiver of speedy trial. I believe it's the first time up, and then possibly resolve it on February 3rd.
All right, we'll set that on the February 3rd docket then at 9 a.m.
Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you next year.
Okay. Rich says hi to you.
Thank you.
All right, bye. Hey, huh? Oh, he ought to know who he's talking, right?
Pardon?
I mean, how many Riches does he know?
Oh, Rich Conti.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Sorry. It's Mr. Fayette. Yes, Judge Provost, is Mr. Fayette there, please?
Yes, hold on, please.
Thank you.
The criminal justice system can be withering and frightening. At the focus zone, we know that favorable results in a criminal case are obtained by legal skills and hard work. We'll work with you to look at all the options in the case and develop a strategy to get the best result possible in plea bargains, pre-trial motions, or trial.
Morning, Judge.
Morning, Mr. Fayette. Let's see. First one up I have is Ryan Gear O'Donnell.
Mr. You're just, that's gonna be a plea, I'm gonna send for that. I sent an email to the state, seeing if we could amend the offer a little bit, but either way, I'm gonna call and send that for a plea, so we put it to the next pre-trial conference, I'll get it sent.
All right. February 3rd for now. Okay.
Okay.
And I have Blaine Pierce, 20MM 1262.
But if we're ready for trial on that, I don't know how you're handling that.
I'm going to put you on that February 3rd docket for now.
Okay.
Starting to get a little full on the January 11th date. And Matthew Saberton.
Ready for trial on that also?
All right, I'm going to set that for January 11th then. Let's see if we can get that in there.
Is there one on your 10 o'clock docket, to address that, or like, I'll be back?
Jalissa Puente. It's 20
This is a
CT.
new case for me, so if that's continuous, put me on another, docket calendar and try to get ready.
February 3rd then at 9 a.m.
Okay, happy New Year.
All right, you too. Bye-bye. Hopefully the next will go a little quicker. Just got one. Mr. Turner has a case, first case on docket ACE.
Attorney Ken Turner.
Mr. Turner, Judge Provost, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Judge.
Calling on Carlos Aceby, 20 CT 870.
Yes, Judge. I submitted CNS documents to the Assistant State Attorney, I believe, yesterday. And then then I learned that there was a new state attorney assigned to the matter, and they reported. And I have not heard if the attorney is the newly assigned. If they have had a chance to review those or not, but I did file them also.
Your Honor, I did review the plaintiff's bench. The state has no objection to it.
All right, let me look and see. Is it in the court file, do we know?
Yes, Judge. Oh, I didn't know if you were asking me.
Yeah, well, just anyone. I'm looking now, see where it is. Yep, I got it. Okay. DUI property damage, so that's the first count one. Adjudication of guilt, a $750 fine. 12 months of probation may early terminate after 9 months. Completion of the DUI school. Following recommendations with the substance use evaluation, random testing, no possession or consumption of alcohol. 50 hours of community service that may buy out at the rate of $10 per hour. $10 vehicle impoundment. 12-month driver's license revocation, no objection to the obtaining of a work permit when he qualifies. Court costs, as well as costs of prosecution. And I think that looks like everything there. Restitution to be ordered and reserved, payable to Gary Robert, Looks like Cholewinski, Cholewinski. And I'm assuming then that means count 2 is a null pros.
I think there was only one count, so I made the count 1, but I don't think there was a count 2.
All right. I'm just looking at my docket, it has 2 counts, so let me see.
Oh, okay.
Information been filed.
Yes, Your Honor, count 2, but still on, still showing the number of the no process.
Yeah, no, you only filed one the information only alleges the DUI with the property damage, so I guess that was probably no info a while back then. I don't see the notice to the clerk that says that. What's the best way for you to get that disappeared? They need just a null pros on it.
They want to announce it in the open court.
Yeah. Because if we have, I'm assuming we have 2 citations, right? Citation A. I'm trying to figure out how we got 2 counts to begin with. Booking sheet. DUI. Yeah, booking sheet only has 1 count. Yeah, I don't know, see 1 citation, I'm sure we got 2 counts on to begin with. Nope, you do have 2 citations, I take that back, it's showing here. Where's the other citation? Yeah, there are 2 citations, that's why. So, Ms. Matriano, you'll just do a notice or just could you just do a null pros in open court on the count 2?
Yes, Your Honor, I can do it.
Okay.
Just announce it on the record, that's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
The state announces a no process to count 2 DUI first.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Turner, I think we're good to go then.
Okay, I think you're good.
Yeah. All right, thank you. Bye-bye. Okay. All right, we'll give Mr. Moffett a call.
Morning, John.
Good morning, Mr. Moffett. How are you, sir?
My turn, yeah?
All right. Miss Albert or Virgo,
Judge, if we could continue that with a waiver.
February 3rd at 9 a.m. And on 10 o'clock docket, you have
Mr. Terrian,
Tarian, yes.
same request, Judge, with a waiver.
All All right, February 3rd at 9 a.m.
Thank you, sir. That's all I have.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Have a great day. Happy New Year.
You too. And we have Mr. Brown's cases.
Thank you for calling Brown, Suarez, Rios, and Weinberg. Your call is important to us. Patricia.
All right, on Miguel Antonio, go February 3rd. And Jamar Arundel, 20mm 1453 will go February 3rd also. Mr. Miller call. Mr. Miller, Judge Provost.
Hey, Judge.
Couple cases with you. Let's see, Arizmendi is the first one, 20 CT 1613.
Yes, Judge, I am going to move to continue waiting pre-trial after another pre-trial.
February 3rd at 9 a.m. And you have Bo Boswell, 20 CT 1455.
Also move to continue waiting pre-trial after the new pre-trial conference.
All right, it's February 3rd at 9 a.m. And then hang on a second, I gotta get Miss Creamy on the line and we'll do Mr. Hennings on the 10 o'clock docket.
Perfect.
Hi again.
Hello, I got Mr. Miller on the line. Hang on just a second. All right, Mr. Miller, Kevin Hennings.
Yes, Judge. He is currently in the hospital going through both chemo and radiation treatment. My understanding that he should be released, I believe, on January 2nd, but then he's going to be in a rehab center for the next 6 months after that. So I guess I'm moving to continue. As we set it on the February date if you want, or further out. Speak to the court.
How about April 14th at 9 o'clock?
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Happy New Year.
Whoop, hang on a second. Go ahead.
Oh, no, I said thank you.
Oh, all right. All right, you too. Thank you.
Happy New Year, everybody.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
14. All right, I'm gonna give, no, I won't either. Let's see, Mr. Gajorge, Gajorgi. Yes, Mr. Gajorgian, excuse me, sorry, Judge Provost. I can say it if I don't look at it. We've got Alex Banton, 20mm 212.
Correct, Your Honor. I've noticed that you're placing cases on the 2nd of the 3rd of February, the pre-trial conference.
Yes,
All
sir.
right, this is a case where he's got co-defendants, 2 co-defendants.
Oh, this is
I
the group. Okay,
Yeah, I don't know what their status is, but I think this is going to be tried jointly. So I would ask for the 3rd of February pre-trial conference.
all right, we'll do February 3rd then, Mr. Blanton. I think I remember the other guys. I think one is another private counsel, the other, is that Mr. Russo?
I believe so.
In a public defender. Okay, we can do that.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right, sir. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And then we have Mr. Gregoza. Melissa Berry.
Judge Provost.
Good morning, Mr. Berry. Mr. Gregoza, fine. How are you, sir?
Fine, thank you.
Calling you on Melissa Berry.
Okay. Well, the judge signed an order for me to depose the security guard. Subpoenaed him. He didn't show for the deposition.
Mm-hmm.
I also filed a motion to compel discovery because I hadn't gotten any receipts or things that would show what they were saying. There's videos, I didn't get those. So we're in a position now where haven't got the discovery I need. The alleged security guard who saw everything didn't show up for step one. He was served. We got the service process back. So when I talked to the state at the sitting around waiting for him to show up, they said either they would get me the discovery or consider no crossing the charge. So I don't know where we stand on this now.
All right. Well, we'll see what Ms. Matrino has to say.
Your Honor, as Mr. Gregoza is aware, I just signed this case law. I will have to review what video we have and what video is missing, and kind of go from there and decide if this is a case that we'll move forward with or we'll drop.
Okay. All right. And Mr. Gregoza, if you want, and if they don't, then we've always got an order to show cause aspect of it.
Well, it's state's witness. I'm going to just do a motion to exclude them. They can't bring the witness. I'm
Wow.
already after this time.
All right. We'll see if that works. I don't know. All right. February 3rd in the meantime.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye-bye. Let's see, Mr. Alderucci.
How may I help you?
Yes, this is Judge Provost. Is Mr. Alderucci available?
Sure, 1 moment, please.
Thank you. Is that a Disney tune of some sort?
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Alderucci. Calling 2 cases, looks like Aldolfo Sidri, 20mm 222.
Right. Excuse me, Joshua Victor, 20mm 502.
Yes.
On the February case, Judge, we were waiting, I believe, for a jury trial to try all these defendants together.
Oh, okay. We just talked to Mr. Grigorgian on that. I had continued his guide to February 3rd, though, so we'll look and see.
Okay, that's fine. We'll wait.
All right. And then we have,
Is that 9 o'clock again?
yes, sir. Joshua Victor.
Go ahead. I have not received an offer from the state on that one yet, so I'd ask for a continuance to the next free trial. We should be able to wrap that up.
Your Honor, I do see that we sent an offer over on September 16th. It is a withhold at $250 fine for cost prosecution, and I will send an email to Mr. Alderucci if the court is open.
Okay, thank you. We'll go February 3rd then. All right?
February 3rd, 9 o'clock. Thank you.
Yes, sir. All right. Have a good New Year.
Have a nice New Year.
Bye-bye. Mr. Pizzazz.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Pizzazz. How are you, sir?
Pretty good. How are you doing, Judge?
All right. Two cases, looks like Anderson Ducassi.
Yes, Judge. I need to continue with a waiver on that. We received the video from Naples PD, but it's not working. So I need to probably get a new disc from them, or perhaps just get the video from the state.
All right. February 3rd at 9 o'clock.
And then I have one more.
Yeah, Robert Martin, 20 CT 350.
Yes, Judge. Same request, continuance with a waiver. Just still working on it. His driver's license.
February 3rd at 9 a.m.
Very much. Have a
Thank
good
you.
day.
You too. Bye-bye. All right, give Mr. Spiegel a call.
Spiegel, good morning.
Morning, Mr. Spiegel, Judge Provost, sir. Calling,
Good morning to you, sir.
calling on reference to Jacob Eisenhower.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm going to ask to continue it to another docket sounding. You guys are waived on this. But not just basically just kind of where we're at with the percentage on the COVID. I know that I think last time we were in court, I might have mentioned the state he will set up a trial, he would take a plea. He's still considering it, but I don't have an affirmative response from him at this point in time. Just want to look forward to that. So
Okay.
If the court says that the state doesn't have an objection to continuing, I would ask for at least one more call.
All right, I'll set it for February 3rd at 9 o'clock. We'll see where we go from there, okay?
No, I appreciate that. Have a great day.
All right, sir. You too. Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Mr. Gordon's cases.
Hey, this is Adam.
Mr. Gordon, Judge Provost.
Hi, Judge. How are you?
Okay, calling you a couple, looks like 3 cases. Tierra Faison is the first one, 20 CT 1328.
Yes, hopefully she should have a license in the next few weeks.
All right, we'll go February 3rd then.
Okay. Now the next one, actually, both going to be a plea. So do you want me to cover the last one first?
We can do that. We can do UC Wagner first.
Yeah, UC Wagner. That one I finally have videos at work. I did review them. I did reach out to Ms. Mazzarino as soon as she got on the docket. I'm not sure she's been able to review stuff, so hopefully we can have a resolution by next pretrial.
All right, February 3rd then.
Okay. And then Ashley Lord, 20 CT 626. That I did file a plea in absentia.
Okay, pull that up. Okay, plea in absentia. This is for DUI. Whew. Okay, looks like an adjudication of guilt, 12 months of probation, 6 months driver's license revocation, no objection to a hardship license if eligible. A $750 fine plus court costs, include costs of prosecution. 50 hours of community service, may buy out at the rate of $10 per hour. A 10-day vehicle impoundment. DUI school, appropriate phase, substance evaluation, following a recommendation. Victim impact panel, either in person or online. No possession or consumption of alcohol in the residence, no entering any bars, taverns, saloons, and a random test or random breath or urine testing upon request. Okay. Is that correct, Ms. Matrino?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, looks good. All right, thank you, Mr. Gordon.
Judge, the only thing was Miss Lord, she contacted me a couple days ago asking about the vehicle impound. Is that something that you want me to file a subsequent motion on that to waive that?
Generally, if she doesn't have one or it wasn't her vehicle, I think they can provide an affidavit to probation and resolve it. If not, then you can go ahead and file a motion.
Okay, all right. Okay, then I will do that.
Okay.
And I'll have her contact probation today.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you, sir. Take care. Happy New Year.
You too.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, we'll do Mr. Lucarelli.
Thank you for calling Lucarelli Law. To reach Attorney Dominic Lucarelli and/or his assistant Marie, please press 1.
Yes, this is Judge Provost. Is Mr. Lucarelli available?
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Dominic. How are you?
Doing okay. By the way, great job.
Thank you.
Thanks, Frank. Awesome.
Hope you enjoyed.
I've got 2 cases on your docket. Mark Frederick, 20 CT 1862. I think it's your first one.
Yes, sir.
Asking to continue wait for your trial and waiting on some medical records from a traumatic brain injury that he suffered many years ago.
All right, February 3rd at 9 a.m. And then you've got a 10 o'clock Christine Logan.
And that one is a lady that we're not sure about her competence. However, there's it's certainly a question. We're going to ask the state to stipulate to an ROR so we can get her back to Park Royal for treatment, see where she's at. I'm hoping that gets taken care of today. But I tried to talk to her on the phone, the jail phone call. She wouldn't talk to me. I went to the jail and actually she wouldn't come out, and then I went into her cell. They allowed me to go into her cell, and she wouldn't talk to me. She's really in bad shape. But I'm working on that. I asked for continuous wait for your trial.
All right, February 3rd.
Thank you, Judge. Happy New Year.
All right, thank you. Bye-bye. Ms. Cooperies.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system 30.
Mr. Gomez Gatan, February 3rd. We'll see where we go.
Your Honor, that was 20 CT 154, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Ms. Gonzalez. Yeah, Ms. Gonzalez, Judge Provost.
Here
Yes, can you,
it is, Gonzalez.
I'm sorry.
This is Diane Gonzalez.
Yeah, Ms. Gonzalez, this is Judge Provost calling in reference to Philip Hilburn.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. It's,
Yes, this case, he has halfway signed up for diversion. Mr. Cruz wanted the statement revised, and that's what we're in the process of doing. If we can't agree on it, I would ask for one more status, and then if we can't agree on it, we'll probably proceed to trial.
all right, we'll go.
But I'm hoping we can resolve the issue.
All right, February 3rd at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good New Year. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, Mr. Russo.
Hello, this is Dominic.
Mr. Russo, Judge Provost, calling in
Good
reference. Good morning. Connor Holznick, 9 o'clock docket, 20 MM 1270.
Ready for trial.
All right, I'm going to set you for on the February 3rd pretrial conference docket on that. And 10 o'clock, we have Robin Johnson, 19 MM 2472.
Ms. Johnson was in the diversion program. I'm not sure why she's out of it, but I'm asking for the February 3rd
All right,
date with the waiver of speedy trial.
all right. February 3rd then at 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Mr. Clark. Mr. Clark, Judge Provost.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
All righty, calling on Shaquandra Hughes.
Yes, Judge, I spoke to her after the last court date, and she indicated that she wanted to sign up for diversion. However, I have not been able to schedule a date with her yet. So I asked for the next pretrial.
February 3rd, 9 a.m. Jeremy Johnson, 20 CT 477.
Judge, do you have out of custody plea dates that we can set Mr. Johnson to?
January 11th,
What time is on January 11th, Judge?
9 o'clock or thereabouts.
9 o'clock. Okay, let's go ahead and do that, Judge. Because
All right, Mr. Johnson, January 11th then. Let's see. Two more. James Rodriguez, 20 MM 822.
And I'm assuming Mr. Rodriguez was not present in the courtroom this time, Judge?
Nope.
Yeah, I believe he's incarcerated.
Yeah.
New charges. Could we set that to another pretrial conference so I can sort out doing the other cases?
February 3rd, 9 a.m.
Sure.
Then you have
Kelly Jean Thompson?
Kelly Thompson, yes. That's 20 MM 332.
That's correct, Judge. Can we also set that to that plea date on January 11th?
All right, January 11th.
And Judge, is it possible for us to get some cases that are on tomorrow? There's too much trouble. I just wanted to see if we could save with some prep.
I didn't have any for you for tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow. I'm sorry, tomorrow. I'm sorry. I was thinking of the 10 o'clock docket.
I don't want to mess the clerk up, but I just wanted to see if there was a way to do that.
Let me see. Who do you?
I can tell you the case numbers, Judge.
I got them.
Okay.
I'm showing 3.
Yes, Judge.
Just under regional counsel, not under your name, right?
Correct,
Okay. Let's see, we've got Omar Harris, 20MM 1796.
Judge, can we get, I'm not sure if I had an offer on that particular case, but we put it on the next pretrial.
February 3rd at 9 a.m.
Okay.
Christina Miller Williams.
Judge, I believe that's a relatively new case. We could have put that on the next pretrial as well.
February 3rd at 9 a.m. And Christopher Salters.
In the theme of Mr. Salters, Judge, we could put that for the next pretrial.
All right, February 3rd at 9 a.m.
And I'll be in touch with the state to make sure that I have the officer so I can communicate that.
Okay. I'm sorry, but
The case number for Salters.
Salters was
20-2171.
It was for 2-3 o'clock?
yes,
Thank you.
2171. Yep. Okay, thank you, Mr. Clark.
Thank you, Judge. You have a happy New Year.
You too. Bye-bye. Mr. Rodriguez.
Hello?
Yep. Hello, Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes.
Judge Provost, good morning.
Good morning, Aaron.
Calling in reference to Renal Julia Guerrero.
Yes. Today is the case management. On the case, I am working something out with the ASA. I believe we should have it done, but I know this has happened a couple of times. So if Your Honor would like to set some sort of date in the future, I would be fine with that because I think the case will be resolved.
All right, I can do a February 3rd pretrial conference on both cases then.
Perfect. That would be great for me.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
All right, bye-bye.
What was the other case?
He had, that's right, 20 CT 1444 and 20 MM 1232. Let's see. Mr. Jacobs.
Good morning, this is Lisa.
Yes, Ms. Jacobs, Judge Provost, good morning.
Good morning, how are you, Your Honor?
All righty, calling in reference to Richard Langwheel, 20 CT 1339.
Yes, we have proceeded with depositions. At this time, I'm going to actually move for a joint continuance. The state was put on notice of additional reports that are necessary
All right,
at those depositions.
we'll go February 3rd pretrial conference at 9 o'clock.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. It's me, Judge Provost.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Morning. Fine. Calling in reference to Brandon Purcell, 20 MM 1092.
Mr. Purcell, we've reached a resolution. I am working getting a complete inspection from him. If I could have a date in January, I should have completed and filed with the court by then.
I'm going to do the February 3rd, 9 o'clock pre-trial conference.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
All right. Have a good holiday.
Yes, you too. Happy New Year.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mr. Berry, Mr. Hopkins. He also has a 10 o'clock.
Offices of J. Berry, how may I help you?
This is Judge Provost. Is either Mr. Berry or Mr. Hopkins available?
Yes, let me transfer you to Mr. Hopkins. One moment, please.
Thank you.
Judge Provost, Ms. Matarino, good morning.
Good morning. Richard Frank Radadosis.
Your Honor, Mike Hopkins for Ms. Radanosis requesting 2-3 pretrial with a waiver.
All right, February 3rd at 9 a.m. And then on the 10 o'clock docket, Mr. Hopkins, we have Christopher Lamb.
Yes, Your Honor. On that case, 2018-1923, requesting, do you have room for another plea on January 11th?
Always room for pleas.
Okay, all right, good to hear. I will request that too, please.
January 11th.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Let's see, we have Miss Roger.
This is Kristen.
Miss Roger, Judge Provost.
Good morning, Your Honor. How
Good
are you?
morning. Fine. John Lewis Urim, 20 MM 124, I'm sorry, 1294.
Yes, Your Honor. On that case, I'm requesting a continuance of waiver.
February 3rd at 9 a.m.
Perfect. That's all I have, Your Honor. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Miss Orange.
Judge Provost?
Good morning, Miss Orange. How are you?
Good morning. I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
All right. Looks like we have Marlon Williams.
Yes. I'm sorry, Your Honor. I don't have the case number.
It's 20 MM 1281.
All right. On this one, Your Honor, I did speak to Ms. Bonilla probably, I don't know, maybe the day before the last pre-trial conference or the day after the last pre-trial conference. There's still some items that I believe are still outstanding for discovery purposes. There was also a felony case that Mr. Williams was arraigned for, or not, I'm sorry, that he appeared before you on for first appearance, which I think the cases do kind of go hand in hand. I have been in brief touch with the felony prosecutor. I don't want to necessarily go working on a global offer, but if we could get this continued to the next pre-trial conference with a waiver, and before that, I plan on scheduling another conference call with Ms. Bonilla.
Oh, don't call Miss Bonilla. She's not on the case anymore. Give Miss Matarino a call. All right. February 3rd at 9 a.m.
You have a happy New Year.
Okay. Bye-bye. The one we've all been looking for is Mr. Kamadako. Yes, this is Judge Provost. Is Mr. Kamadeco available?
Yes, 1 second.
Thank you. It's a 10 o'clock docket, in case anybody's following along.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. Calling in reference to Ricky Calderon, 20 CT 2071.
Yes, Your Honor. We'd ask for a continuance of the waiver on this.
All right, February 3rd at 9 a.m.
All right. Enjoy your New Year, sir.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, Ms. Maturino, I believe that is everyone.
Please, so, Your Honor.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, we'll see you tomorrow. I'll hear you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Isn't that a few taken off tomorrow?
A few.
It would be really awesome if one of them changed their office music to the Two Clarks downtown. That would get some,
No.
would get some attention.
You're terrible.
A little too soon.
Oh.
Yeah.